morning, girls. Did you learn the formulas for cylinders, children? What is the formula for LSA of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. TSA 2 pi r into h plus r. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Learn the formulas, children. If you learn the formulas, you can learn the topic in an easy manner. The topic will be easy for you and everything will be retained in your mind provided you learn your formulas. Today's class we are going to do exercise 13.2 continuation. In the last class we have done up till third sum. Today we are going to do from the fourth sum, children. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters and the length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. The diameter of the roller is given. You know the road roller. What does it do? It levels the ground. If you take your school ground, the area of the school ground is nothing but which part of the roller will do the work? It is only the curved surface area. So, the area of your school playground will be the LSA of the roller into the number of revolutions. In this particular sum, you are given the diameter. You all know cylinders involve only radius. When diameter is given, children, find out radius. You know height, go for LSA. The number of revolutions is 500. So area of the ground is equal to LSA of the roller into number of revolutions. Fifth question. For the roller, yes, for the roller, the diameter is how much, children? Diameter is 50 centimeters. Radius, when diameter is given, radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is equal to 50 by 2, 25 centimeters. They already told you to find in meters, children. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. 25 by 100 is equal to height. H is how much, children? 120 centimeters. Divide by 100 to convert to meters. 0 gets cancelled. 1.2 meters. Number of revolutions the roller has made. How many revolutions did the roller make? 500. Therefore, area of the ground. The area of the ground is LSA of the roller into number of revolutions. Number of revolutions. 2 pi r h into 500. Substitute your values, children, into r. R is how much? 0.25 into h is how much? 1.2 into 500. 7 cannot cancel, children. So multiply, children. 2 into 22. 44. 44 into 25. 7 divides 0.06 times 44 into 6. 264 into 16. That is how much, children? 38. 158 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 44 into 6, 264 into 12 5s are 60, 6 4s are 24, 38, 15804. How many digits after the point? 3 digits. So it is 1584 meters squared is the area of the ground. Given the diameter is 84 centimeters, The radius is 42 centimeters to meters divided by 100. The height is in centimeters, convert to meters. Number of revolutions is 500. Area of the ground is equal to LSA of the roller into the number of revolutions. The CSA of the right circular cylinder, a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeters in diameter and 3.5 meters high. Find the cost of painting the CSA of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12 rupees 50 pice per meter square. The pillar is cylindrical in shape and it is painted. So what are you going to find out for the cylindrical pillar? The CSA. For the cylindrical pillar, diameter is 50 centimeters. Radius R is how much? D by 2, 50 by 2, 25 centimeters by 100, which is equal to 0.25 meters. As the cost is given per meter square, children, the dimensions have to be in meters. Height H. The height is in which units? It is 3.5 meters high. CSA of the pillar. CSA of the pillar is equal to 2 pi RH square units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 3.5 meters square. 7 divides 0.5 times. 42 into 22, 44. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 4, 500. 500, that is 5,500 meters square, children. How many digits after the point? 1, 2, 3. So it is 5.5 meters square. What is the cost of painting 1 meter square? Cost of painting 1 meter square is equal to how much, children? 12 rupees 50 pice. Therefore, total cost of painting is equal to, how do you get the total cost, children? 12 rupees 50 pice into 5 5s are 25, 62, 625, 6 7, 5 0. How many digits? 1 2 3. Put the point, children. The total cost of painting the pillar is 68 rupees 75 pice. A pillar is given which is painted. So you have to find out the CSA. What is the formula for CSA, children? 2 pi RH, which is 5.5 square meters. The cost of painting 1 meter square is 12 rupees 50 pice. The total cost of painting is 68 rupees 75 pice. Sixth sum. The CSA of the cylinder is 4.4 meters square. The base radius is 0.7. Find the height. What are you given for the cylinder? You are given, for the cylinder, you are given what, children? You are given the radius. The radius is equal to 0.7 meters. Height is equal to h. And the CSA is equal to 4.4 meters square. As you are given the CSA, children, use the formula for CSA. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h is equal to 7 divides how many times? 0.1 times. H is equal to 4.4 divided by 2 into 22 into 0.7. Numerator 1 digit after the point, denominator also 1 digit after the point, children. So you can remove the point and cancel, that is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, height h is equal to 1 meter. You are given the radius and the CSA. You are finding out the height. What is the formula for CSA of the cylinder, girls? 2 pi RH. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. H is equal to 1 meter. The inner diameter of the circular well is 3.5 meters, 10 meters deep. Find the inner CSA and the cost of plastering at the curved surface area at the rate of 2 rupees 40 per meter square. A well is circular in shape, children. You are given what? Diameter and depth. Depth means what? Height. Find the inner CSA. So what are the formula for inner CSA? 2 pi RH. And the cost of plastering for the well, how much is your diameter? Diameter is equal to 3.5 meters. Therefore, radius R is equal to diameter by 2, which is equal to 3.5 by 2. You can leave it like that, girls. Height H. How much is the height, children? 10 meters. First bit, inner CSA of the well is equal to 2 pi RH square units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into H, that is 10 meters square. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 7 goes 0.5 times. 22 into 5. 110 into 10, that is equal to, put 1 digit, it is 110 meters square. What is the cost of plastering? What is the cost of plastering? Cost of plastering 1 meter square is how much, children? 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. Therefore, total cost of plastering is equal to into 40, that is equal to rupees 4,400. For the well, you are given the diameter, radius, diameter by 2, inner CSA 2 pi RH, and cost of plastering 1 meter square is rupees 40. What is the total cost of plastering? Rupees 4,400. Eighth sum, girls. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meters and diameter 5 centimeters. Find the total radiating surface in the system. You know, hot water system means the electric geyser. In that geyser, you are given the height. How much is the height, children? There is a cylindrical pipe of height 28 meters and diameter 5 centimeters. Find the total which will radiate the heat, children. It is only the inner surface area for the hot water, for the hot water geyser. You can write this height H. How much is the height H, children? 28 meters. Radius R is 5 centimeters. Convert to meters, that is equal to 0.05 meters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Total radiating surface in the system is equal to what? It is LSA of the cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH square units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.05 into 28 meters square. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 20. 5 fours are 20. 8. Count the digits, children. How many digits? 1, 2. That is equal to 8.8 meters square. For the geyser, you are given the height and the radius is given in centimeters. Convert the centimeters to meters. The total radiating surface is nothing but the LSA of the cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi RH, that is equal to 8.8 square meters. Ninth. Find the LSA of a closed cylindrical petrol tank which is 4.2 meters in diameter and 4.5 meters high. The cylindrical petrol tank diameter is given, height is given, find out LSA. Can you all do, children? Now the second important thing is the second question. How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12th of the steel got wasted in making the tank? Anytime when you want to make a solid, you have to supply the material, not only the exact measurements, but some extra material should be provided, girls. So to prepare this tank, they have given some steel, out of which 1 by 12th got wasted. They are asking you to find out how much steel was actually used. For the cylindrical tank, what are you given, girls? Yes, diameter is how much? 4.2 meters. Radius is how much? Radius R is equal to diameter by 2, that is equal to, which is equal to 2.1 meters. Height H, how much is your height? 4.5 meters. Therefore, LSA of cylindrical tank. Can you remember the formula, children? That is equal to 2 pi RH square units. What is it? 2 pi RH square units. 2.1 into 4.1 meters square. 2 into 22, 44, into 3, 132, into 45. 5 2s are 10, 66, 8, 52, 14, 9, 5, 9, 4, 0. How many digits after the point? Count 1, 2. Put the point. It is 59.4 meters square. Yes, children, this is the first bit. Now coming to the second bit, children, how much steel was actually used? You are going to supply. You must give some material. Steel supplied is equal to X. Steel wasted is equal to 1 by 12th of X, children. What is 1 by 12th of X? That is equal to X by 12. Steel actually used is equal to, X minus X by 12. That is equal to, you supplied X. How much got wasted? 1 by 12th of X, which is equal to X by 12. Therefore, steel actually used is equal to the supplied material minus the wastage material. 12 into x, 12x minus x, that is equal to 12. Therefore, 11x by 12 is equal to TSA of cylindrical tank. Two pi r into h plus r. Yes, what is r value, children? R is how much? 2.1 into h. 4.5 plus 2.1 meter square. 11x by 12 is equal to 2 pi into 2.1. What is 4.5 plus 2.5? 6.3. 11x by 12 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 6.6 meters square. Now we are going to solve for x by cross multiplying. You know what is cross multiplying? Denominator goes to numerator, numerator goes to denominator. Now go for cancellation, children. 7 divides 0.3, 11 divides 0.6. Now go for multiplication. 12 into 2, 24 into 22, how much? 48, 48. That is 528 into 18. 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, plus 6, 22, 42, 8, 2, 5, 10, 5, 9. How many digits after the point, children? 95.04 meters square. Therefore, steel actually used. Steel actually used is equal to steel supplied minus wastage, that is 11x by 12 equal to the TSA of the cylinder. Pi means 22 by 7, R is 2.1, 4.5 plus 2.5, 6.6, x value 11 by 12 cross multiply, that is equal to 95.04 meters square. Steel actually used is equal to 95.04 meters square. Note down the homework, children. Page 217, exercise 13.2.4.2.9. All of you please work out. The homework is the repetition of the classwork.